popping and cracking is a pretty non-specific symptom, but I found that the most common reason people's knees pop or crack is because they have something called patellofemoral syndrome. Essentially, it's a fancy way of saying that the kneecap is not translating perfectly up and down in the center of the knee joint. The most common reason for this is a combination of either not enough strength in the quadriceps and abductors and tightness of the muscles, specifically the hamstring and the IT band. So what you want to do is you want to focus on exercises that strengthen those muscles as well as stretch out those other muscles that I referred to.